Hi, welcome back to Nonstop Mandarin. I'm Jenny, 加分老师. Today we are going to learn how to ask and answer what's wrong in Mandarin. Let's watch and listen to the conversation first.
加分老师你好。
嘿，美女，你好吗？
我不好，我心碎了。
为什么不好？怎么了？告诉我。
我喜欢帅哥，我告诉他我很喜欢他，可是他不喜欢我。
你告诉我，你为什么喜欢帅哥？
因为他很帅，也很厉害，所以我很喜欢他。
他为什么不喜欢你？
他说因为我不漂亮，所以不喜欢我。
可是英雄告诉我，他很喜欢你哦。
可是因为英雄不帅，也不厉害，所以我不喜欢他。
好吧，来福也告诉我，他很喜欢你。
老师
In this lesson, we use the vocabularies we have learned from last lesson. If you haven't seen the video lesson last time, you can go back to Super Useful Mandarin Adjectives. Okay, let's learn the new words from this dialogue.
生词 new words
心碎了，心 heart 心 heart 碎了 shattered broken 碎了 shattered broken 心碎了 heartbroken heart shattered 心碎了心碎了心碎了 When someone you like very much and he or she pass away accidentally, you can say, "Oh, 我心碎了，我心碎了." In the dialogue, 美女 the girl, she likes 帅哥 the boy very much, but 帅哥 the boy doesn't like her. That's why 美女 said, 我心碎了，我心碎了. When 美女 told me she's heartbroken, 她心碎了, I asked her, 为什么？为什么？为什么 means why? 为什么？为什么？什么 is what? 为 is like for. So for what? Why? 为什么？为什么？ In the dialogue, 美女 told me, 我不好. So I asked her, 为什么不好? Why you are not doing good? 为什么不好 ？And I kept asking her, 怎么了？怎么了 ？What's wrong? 怎么了 ？What's wrong? 怎么了 ？When your best friend looks upset, you can ask him or her, 你怎么了 ？What's wrong with you? 你怎么了？你怎么了？怎么了 ？Next word is 告诉。告诉 they are both forced tone, very harsh. 告诉 means to tell. 告诉告诉我 tell me. 告诉我 tell me. Because I worry about 美女 too much, so I told her 告诉我 tell me. 告诉我 tell me. Now let me repeat my first part in the dialogue. 为什么不好？Why you're not doing good? 怎么了 ？What's wrong? 告诉我 Tell me. And 美女 told me the reason why she's heartbroken. 美女告诉我她为什么心碎。美女 told me why she's heartbroken. 美女 said, 美女说我喜欢帅哥。喜欢 like 喜欢 like 我喜欢帅哥 I like 帅哥我喜欢帅哥 And actually 帅哥 means handsome guy 帅哥 handsome guy 帅哥 handsome guy 帅哥 In Taiwan, it's a polite way to call boys 帅哥,帅哥,帅哥, and they will be very happy. Also, actually, 美女,美女 means beautiful girl, pretty girl, 美女,美女. And in Taiwan, we also call all the girls 美女,美女,美女, and all the girls will be very happy. So, 帅哥,美女. And 喜欢 like, 喜欢 like. 喜欢 is one of the most common used word in Mandarin. 喜欢 喜欢 like I like you. 我喜欢你我喜欢你 I like Chinese Mandarin. 我喜欢中文我喜欢中文 Menu continues it. 我告诉他 I told him. 我很喜欢他I like him very much. 我告诉他我很喜欢他 And we have a new word here. 可是 but 可是 but 可是 Menu said 可是他不喜欢我可是他不喜欢我 But he doesn't like me. 可是他不喜欢我 And we can see 喜欢 means like. If we put another word 不 in front of 喜欢 a verb 不喜欢 means doesn't like, don't like. 不喜欢 doesn't like, don't like. 不喜欢 He doesn't like me. 他不喜欢我 So let's look at Manu's part again. 我喜欢帅哥 I like 帅哥我喜欢帅哥我告诉他 I told him. 我告诉他我很喜欢他 I like him very much. 我很喜欢他我告诉他我很喜欢他可是他不喜欢我可是 but 他不喜欢我 He doesn't like me. 可是他不喜欢我 So I asked 美女 why she likes 帅哥你为什么喜欢帅哥你为什么喜欢帅哥你为什么喜欢帅哥 And 美女 said 因为 because 因为 because 因为因为他很帅因为 because 他很帅 He's very handsome 因为他很帅 because he's very handsome 因为他很帅也很厉害也 means also too 也很厉害 means very talented very awesome 很厉害也很厉害所以 so therefore 所以 so therefore 所以我很喜欢他所以我很喜欢他 Therefore, so I like him very much. 所以我很喜欢他 So you see, we have a 因为 because and 所以 therefore, so in one sentence. Let me give you more examples. 因为她很漂亮所以我喜欢她 Because she's very pretty, so I like her very much. But can I say 我很喜欢她因为她很漂亮 like English? It's fine. So just to let you know, we can put 因为 and 所以 in one sentence in Mandarin. I also want to know why 帅哥 doesn't like 美女 So I asked her, 他为什么不喜欢你他为什么不喜欢你 Why doesn't he like you? 他为什么不喜欢你他说 he said 他说 he said 因为我不漂亮 Because I'm not pretty 因为我不漂亮所以 therefore 所以他不喜欢我 Therefore he doesn't like me 所以他不喜欢我 because Mary was so upset, so I tried to cheer her up. I said, 可是 but 可是英雄告诉我，英雄告诉我，英雄 is another boy. 英雄告诉我，英雄 told me. 英雄告诉我，他很喜欢你。He likes you very much. 他很喜欢你。And Mary answered, 可是因为英雄不帅 but because 英雄 is not handsome. 也不厉害 and also he is not talented. 所以我不喜欢他 so I don't like him. And then I lost my patience with her. I say, 好吧 well, 好吧 okay, 好吧。来福 the dog 也 also 告诉 tell 我 me 来福也告诉我 the dog 来福 also told me 来福也告诉我他很喜欢你 he likes you very much 他很喜欢你 I thought I can make her feel better but it didn't go that way. Well, so she was screaming and saying, 老师 teacher 老师 oh 老师 sorry 美女对不起
复习 review.
Let's review the new words one more time. Number 1, 心碎了 heartbroken 心碎了 heartbroken 心碎了 Number 2, 为什么 why 为什么 why 为什么 Number 3, 怎么了 what's wrong 怎么了 what's wrong 怎么了 Number 4, 告诉 to tell 告诉 tell 告诉 Number 5, 喜欢 like 喜欢 like 喜欢 Number 6, 可是 but 可是 but 可是 Number 7, 不 not 不 not 不 Number 8, 也 also 也 also 也 Number 9, 因为 because 因为 because 因为 Number 10, 所以 so 所以 so 所以 Number 11, 帅哥 handsome guy 帅哥 handsome guy 帅哥 Number 12, 美女 beautiful lady 美女 beautiful lady 美女 Watch and listen to the conversation one more time.
加分老师你好。
嘿，美女，你好吗？
我不好，我心碎了。
啊，为什么不好？怎么了？告诉我。
我喜欢帅哥，我告诉他我很喜欢他，可是他不喜欢我。
你告诉我，你为什么喜欢帅哥？
因为他很帅，也很厉害，所以我很喜欢他。
他为什么不喜欢你？
他说因为我不漂亮，所以不喜欢我。
可是英雄告诉我，他很喜欢你哦。
可是因为英雄不帅，也不厉害，所以我不喜欢他。
好吧，来福也告诉我，他很喜欢你。
老师
Thank you for watching this mini episode. I hope you like it. You can use the new words and make your own sentences in the comment section. If you like my video lessons, don't forget to subscribe. If you are interested in learning Mandarin Chinese, you can email me at nonstopmandarin@gmail.com. enjoying my online Skype lesson. If you'd like to have a free worksheet, you can also email me at nonstopmandarin@gmail.com. I have a good news for you. You can listen to the audio of this video lesson on Spotify. You can also follow Nonstop Mandarin on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Learn fast and have fun with Nonstop Mandarin. I'll see you next time. 再见。